clutch flywheel on, which is a Clutch Masters twin disc. Sorted through all the bolts and got all the right bolts in the right places, just to work through them slowly. Got the gearbox on, we're ready for the motor to go in. So next thing is just going to be the chassis turn up, and we can get the underside of that done, and all the powder coat and everything needs doing, and a bunch more zinc plating needs to be done underneath. And then we can get the motor in. There'll just be some fabrication work, which will be intercooler, radiator, all the boost pipes and the rad pipes, and then wiring, which is going to be a full ride wire harness, chassis and motor. And I think we'll be pretty close to getting it up and running. Ready to turn it up and see what we make. Should be an interesting setup. And obviously we've still got the cam swaps to do as well, just to sort of see where we are. A few little bits to iron out, sort out, and then we're ready to rock and roll. So at some point we'll get the car down to get that done. That's it. Peace.